Some of the most common issues we see with these guns coming in, a lot of times wire feed issues, which can be caused by a damaged liner. They could either be something gets dropped on the cable, they get kinked, they get clogged, worn out. Sometimes they can also be cut too short during installation. Another benefit of the AccuLock is that you kind of avoid that issue with this rear power pin system. Some of the other issues you see are gas flow issues. You want to make sure your gun has these O-rings back here. That prevents any sort of leaks into the gas hose, so you want to make sure that those are in good shape, not cracked or dry. Another thing that can cause gas flow issues is dirty consumables. Maybe they're worn out, maybe they're been overheated. Want to have a look at this insert here, make sure that's in good shape. Just storage, you want to make sure when you coil them up, they're not coiled up too tight, and that, so you don't want to kink the liner. Make sure you keep them in a nice, dry area if you can. Keep them up out of the either dirt or metal dust and stuff like that. Thanks so much for listening, and happy welding.